How to create a professional invoice in Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional invoice using Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Canva and type Invoice in the search bar to explore ready-made invoice templates. Pick a design that fits your brand style, something clean, readable, and professional. Click on the template to customize. Add your business name, logo, contact details, and client's information. Update the invoice number, issue date, and due date. Then list the services or products provided with quantity, rates, and totals. Don't forget to include tax details and your preferred payment methods. Make sure everything is clear and easy to understand. Use Canva's brand kit to apply your colors and fonts, keeping the design consistent with your business identity. Once you're done, click on Share, then Download, and save it as a PDF for easy sending. And that's how you create a clean, professional invoice in Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for small businesses or freelancers. That's all for the video.